You don't have to visit a steakhouse to get this delicious side dish. These are the ultimate twice baked potatoes, and I'm showing you how to make them. First step is to bake your potato. That's one bake. We're making twice baked. And what you do is you cut them in half lengthwise and scoop out the potato part. I like to go ahead and put my butter in the bottom of the bowl. That way the heat from the potato kind of melts that butter. All right, potatoes are in. I'm gonna add in the milk. So we have our potatoes, milk, and butter. I'm gonna start to mash that up. And now for sour cream, and then we're gonna do half our cheese and half the green onions. Oh yeah. And season it up with salt and pepper. Yeah. All right, the filling is made, and now we just scoop it back into the potato, and then I'll top it with more cheese, more green onions, and bacon. I can tell you right now, that, my friend, is a package of perfect bites. To the oven we go, 350 degrees. You can taste them already. Look at them. Look at them. See all that gooey, melty cheese?
Can I have one?
Of course, a twice baked potato is a steak's best friend, as far as I'm concerned. And I'm just gonna dig right in. These really are so good, and they're perfect for any special occasion. I'm telling you, you've got to try it. If you've never made twice baked potatoes or have forgotten all about them, give this recipe a try. You won't regret it. There's something on your lens.